Life is short and very beautiful if we can live it the way we want. Often, research shows that people at their old age lives with regret that they should have done something more often or less. If you are someone who also lives with regret and worried about it, don't worry, we have covered it here. In this video, we're going to share the tips and tricks that you can identify the things you love more and important in your life so you can prioritize your life and live it fully. Without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, spend more time with your loved ones. Often we see that we don't spend enough time with our loved ones and we work more than we actually should. So identify the people you really loved and spend more time with them. Your parents, your partner, your children, your siblings, your friends, other family members who you really love. It doesn't have to be really close, but if they are close to your heart, then that's it. You have to spend more time with them so you don't live with regrets. And just don't spend time, spend quality time. So identify the things you love doing with them and do them so they also can enjoy the time. You do some activities so you have some memories in it. So whenever you are sad, you feel lonely, you can look back and enjoy all these memories. Tip number 2, do what you enjoy. For me, I like spending time with my pet. I like reading, I like watching YouTube videos, I like gardening, I like organizing my home. I like cleaning. Cleaning is actually one of my hobbies and I really enjoy it. And I keep doing cleaning a lot and my mom is like super happy about it because she gets a clean house plus I'm spending my time I'm enjoying. So it's a win-win situation. So identify what you like and do them more. Tip number 3, say no more often for the things that are not hell yeah. What I mean with that sometimes we agree to do something that we don't really enjoy and we're like, okay, maybe I'll think about it, I'll come, I'll do this, I'll do that. You don't have to say all this. If you don't like it, if you don't enjoy it, say no. So you save the time to say something for hell yeah, like you really enjoy something. If somebody is asking you to go to a wedding ceremony over a travel, you can say hell yeah to a travel. Because I'm a person, I don't really enjoy wedding ceremonies, but I love travel. If somebody is asking me to go for a day trip over a wedding ceremony, I would definitely say travel or day trip, hell yeah. And I will say no to the wedding ceremony. Why? Because I know I don't enjoy that. But I know a lot of people who enjoy going to wedding ceremonies. So that's okay for them. So you identify what you like and what you don't like. Say yes for the things that are hell yeah. Tip number 4, travel. Travel more often. Travel is like a page in your life. If you don't travel, if you're staying in one place, then you are actually reading the same page over and over in your life. You're not turning the page. Go to different places, go to different countries, go to different cities, meet new people, explore different culinary, explore different mountains, sea beaches, cities, villages. Learn more about life while you are traveling. Explore different religions, explore different cultures, so you get to learn not to judge people. So travel. Tip number 5, educate yourself. If you are not educating, you are not progressing. So to do something in life, you need to progress. You can self-educate yourself, you can go to a school to educate yourself. I'm not just talking about the academic education, I'm talking about the life education. You can learn how to cook, you can learn how to drive, you can learn how to bicycling, you can learn how to swim, you can learn how to, and by default everybody knows how to walk, but not everybody knows how to dance. You can learn how to dance, you can learn how to do public speaking, you can learn how to do singing, you can learn how to do debate, you can learn how to do different kinds of cuisines. So there are a lot of things to do in life. Explore your talent, explore the hidden talent that you have and you never explored it. So yes, educate yourself, self-educate yourself or go to a school, whatever you prefer, whatever suits your lifestyle. Tip number 6, meet new people. You should meet more people than you actually do. So if you're a person going to the office in the morning and your life is surrounded by only office colleague and by at home and you have a very small friend circle, then you're not progressing. You should identify the things you love. Maybe you like exhibition, maybe you like art, maybe you like photography, maybe you like craft. You can go to an exhibition and meet new people there. You can meet the artists, you can meet the other audience there, you can mingle with them and you can talk. So you have similar interest, it's much easier for you to have a common conversation, a common topic, so you can have a good conversation. You can go to a poetry session. There you can meet people who really love poetry. You can go climbing and you can meet people who are climbing there. So you have like common ground, you can have a really good conversation there. So meet more people, meet new people, and when you're traveling, you're meeting new people anyway. But when you're traveling, you try to travel with solo travel. So this is how you can explore yourself, what you like, what you don't like, and you don't have to depend on anybody. Tip number 7, take care of your health. Physical health and mental health both are equally important. So take care of your health, eat healthy, do some exercise, take care of your mental well-being, connect with people that you really like, go to a therapist if you really need to. If you're having some problem, don't ignore it. Take care of your health because health is wealth. Tip number 8, take care of your family. Family is super important and very close to our heart. So if you are someone that only takes care of themselves or live alone, try to take care of your family in a different way. I live with my mom and my sister, and I do take care of them whenever I could. And not saying I do it every day all the time, but whenever possible I do it, and this is how I get a lot of mental clarity and fulfillment in my life. So take care of your family more than you actually do. Tip number 9, spend some alone time. Meeting people is important, going to an event is important, travel is important, but it is equally important to spend some time with yourself, to really understand what you like, what you don't like, what you are enjoying, what you are not enjoying, who you are deep inside. Spend some lonely time. It's not lonely, spend some alone time. Lonely and alone is different. Lonely is you are alone, but you want to be with somebody else. And alone time means you are, by choice, you are spending some alone time. I spend quite a lot of alone time and I really like it. I don't need anybody to be happy. So when I'm with somebody, I'm with them by choice, and they know that, because I don't need them to live my life. I don't need them to feel good. I'm feeling good with myself. So when I'm with someone, enjoying some time, spending some time, they know that I chose them over my loneliness. I'm not lonely. I want to spend some good time, quality time with them. That's why I'm spending some time with them. So identify some time that you really can spend time with yourself. And when people know that you are choosing them to spend some time with, they will be honored and they will love you more. Tip number 10, create a bucket list and do it one by one. I am someone who has a bucket list and wanted to do them for a long time. So ski was on my top list and I have never done it in my life. Recently I have done it and I was so happy. I cannot explain how happy I was. When I was not doing great, but at least I was doing something. I was walking or I was sliding on the ice, which I have never done in my life. So create a bucket list that you want to do and do it one by one, so you can live a fulfilled life and you don't have any regret at the end of your life, because life is short and we need to enjoy it, and we have an age to do something. You can't do skydiving at the age of 80. You can't do bungee jumping at the age of 80. So by 80, you'll be like sad that I have never done bungee jumping, I have never done skiing, I have never done skydiving, I have never done this. There is a movie called Bucket List and I really love it. If you have some inspiration, if you want some inspiration, you can watch that movie, and that is available on Netflix, and I have watched it several times and I really love it. That's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you soon.